So I found some beautiful nature in the wild. Isn't the nature beautiful? Oh, look at that animal. Eagles are so beautiful in nature, aren't they? They do so cinematic views. What's going on? Hey, nature, killing other people. As long as they're not me, I'm okay with it, actually. Nature. Just a beautiful nature. Nature. Such a beautiful thing in our world. Nature. Such a beautiful thing. Give me a second. Nature. Such a beautiful thing. Alright, come on, continue. This is getting good. Gotta edit it out. Do you know how to edit? Let's go! Let's go and not edit this out because it'll be even more funny then.
I filmed you saying, come on, we gotta edit this out. Do you know how to edit things out?
You only killed the eagle! Oh no, I just killed someone! I gotta get my shotgun out to kill the eagle! That's the American way. Dang, this eagle's too intelligent. Does this eagle come to me? Come to me, eagle! Face your fears! I dare you, eagle. If you come at me, I will blow your brains out. I'll kill everyone here!
American style.
Oh my god, it's coming lower and lower. Alright, don't worry. As long as I have the power of a shotgun, nothing can kill me. Dang it didn't work. My god. This eagle's immortal. Or it's just, I'm just really bad at shooting. I just shot it by accident! I'm such good at this game. Alright guys. So this would be the video for today. I know it wasn't much, but get in the car.
Nature.
But just congratulations on Far Cry 5 release. I know I'm playing Far Cry 4, but I don't got the money, so yeah. And happy Easter, and we'll probably have an Easter special later. Now let's go drive off a cliff for the final finale. Oh, well, that was disappointing. And we're out.